Hello everyone. Welcome to this informative video on types of stoves, from traditional to modern eco-friendly ones. Let's explore how cooking methods have changed over time. Let's begin with the traditional stoves, used for generations, especially in rural areas. First, open fire or campfire. Food is cooked over open flames, usually by suspending a pot or placing it on stones. It has no equipment needed, very basic and widely available. But it produces a lot of smoke, causes deforestation, health risks like coughing and eye irritation. Next, mud stove or chalha. Made of clay, this stove uses wood or cow dung cakes. It's cheap and uses local materials. But it fills the house with smoke and can cause breathing problems. 3-stone stove. 3 stones form a triangle, and firewood is placed between them. It is useful during emergencies or outdoor cooking, but very smoky and inefficient. Next, coal stove, sigri. Coal burns inside a metal container with holes. It lasts longer than firewood, but releases dangerous carbon monoxide. Kerosene wick stove. Kerosene is absorbed by wicks and lit at the top. It's affordable, but it can smell, produce soot, and be unsafe. Kerosene pressure stove. Here, kerosene is pressurized and burned efficiently. It gives more heat than wick stoves, but it's harder to use and can be risky. So traditional stoves often cause indoor pollution, lung diseases, and harm the environment. Next type is transitional stoves. Now let's look at transitional stoves. These are cleaner but still use fossil fuels. LPG gas stove. Runs on gas cylinders. It cooks fast, clean, and easy to control. But it needs refills and delivery access. PNG stove. Uses piped natural gas, mostly in cities. It has no need to replace cylinders, but it available only in some areas. Butane gas stove. Great for travel and camping. It is very portable, but it not suitable for daily cooking. Alcohol stove. Burns ethanol or methanol. It handy for hiking, but it produces less heat. Rocket stove. It uses small wood pieces and burns efficiently. It has less smoke and fuel needed, but it needs frequent attention. So transitional stoves are better than traditional ones, but most still depend on non-renewable fuels. Third type, modern eco-friendly stoves. Now come the modern, eco-friendly stoves, clean, smart, and efficient. Electric coil stove. A metal coil heats up using electricity. It is simple and easy to use, but the coil stays hot and can be risky. Hot plate stove. Has a flat metal plate that heats up. It has great for hostels or small kitchens, but it heats slowly and unevenly. Induction stove. Uses magnetic fields to heat special vessels. It is fastest, safest, and energy-saving, but works only with steel or iron pots. Electric glass top stove. Has a stylish glass surface with hidden heating elements. It is sleek and modern, but it is expensive and takes time to cool. Ceramic infrared stove. It uses infrared rays to heat the pot. It is even heating, but its glass can crack if not handled with care. Solar cooker. It uses sunlight focused by mirrors. It has free energy and no pollution, but it only works on sunny days. Biogas stove. Runs on methane gas made from animal or organic waste. It is eco-friendly and useful for villages, but it needs setup and regular waste input. Wood pellet stove. Burns compressed wood dust pellets. It has less smoke, more heat, but its pellets are not always easy to find. So, from smoky campfires to clean induction cookers, stoves have come a long way. Each stove has its advantages and disadvantages. The key is to choose one that suits your needs, health, and the planet. Let's cook smart and stay healthy.